Welcome to Healthifier AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an AI health site using Healthifier AI. Click on Create Site and you will be on Create Site page. Now fill in the required details like subdomain name of your choice, description of your site. Once you fill in all the details and click on the Submit button, and you're done for your AI health site is ready. You can see many options here. You can update your site. Once you choose the site settings option, you can edit your created site. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add SEO related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add your Google Pixels or Facebook Pixels script here. If you want to add a live chat option on your sites, then you can add a live chat script also here. Adding the script here, you can collect your site analytics data directly into your Google Analytics. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirements. You can run ads on your site from here by adding an ad script. You can manage footer content and site social media links also from here. You can also add your WhatsApp number here so your website visitor can directly contact via the WhatsApp app. You can change your site theme also. You can add the logo and icons of your website here. You can add an Amazon affiliate ID to your health site. You can enable or disable pop-ups on your sites from here. You can also add a custom domain to your website if you want. You can also share your site to your desired platform. Thanks for watching the video.